Hello friends, welcome back to the channel. Today we'll be doing a very quick review of the Smatree telescoping selfie stick and tripod. This is compatible with GoPros, static cameras, and cell phones. So we've been doing a lot of video recording here at the channel recently, and I needed a tripod to eliminate the shakes. You can freehand your camera or cell phone, but no matter how steady you are, the shakes will always show up in the final cut. This Smatree telescoping selfie stick works not only as a tabletop tripod for your camera or cell phone, it can also transform into a selfie stick should you require one. The construction overall is solid. The price is very affordable. At present, it retails for $38 on Amazon. Smatree offers a variety of different models around this price range. Some that are constructed with carbon fiber, others with aluminum, as is the case with this one. Some with different locking mechanisms. I chose this particular stick because of the aluminum construction and the clasping mechanism, which is more robust than other models. This Smatree product has a flexible ball head that provides 360-degree rotation angle for your camera, cell phone, or GoPro. This allows you to have the best shooting position. It extends from 17.5 to 41 inches. You simply rotate the spiral lock 1/4 round counterclockwise to release, and you choose your length and then rotate it back to lock. It is a full aluminum design, which is lighter and stronger for extended use. The package includes one smart pole, one tripod stand, one aluminum tripod mount adapter, a cell phone holder, a wing-shaped screw, one adjustable wrist strap, and one user guide. We found it extremely easy to use. It's intuitive. The mounting adapters provided are very basic. You can use it with your cell phone, with your camera, and it comes with a GoPro adapter as well. So we do recommend this product. This one works very well for its intended purpose, and we recommend it based on the solid construction and affordability. If you found the information useful, please subscribe. Thank you.